how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements for Adobe Photoshop. You'll need at least Windows 10 or 8 GB RAM and 4 GB of available hard disk space. Now head over to the official Adobe website. You can do this by typing Adobe Photoshop into your browser and clicking on the official link. Once you're on the Photoshop page, you have two options: start a free trial or purchase a subscription. For this tutorial, you can use with the start free trial. Click on free trial. Now you'll need an Adobe account to download the Photoshop. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, click on create an account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Adobe Creative Cloud installer. Click download and wait for the installer to download. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and simply install Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. After installing Creative Cloud, open it and sign in with your Adobe account. In the Creative Cloud interface, find Adobe Photoshop and click install. The download and installation process might take some time, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Photoshop from the Creative Cloud app or find the Photoshop icon on your desktop or start menu. And congratulations, you have successfully installed Adobe Photoshop on your Windows 11 computer.